In South Africa, 35% of our population are between 18 and 34, and their participation in the economy is extremely low. So what YES is trying to do is find and unlock jobs and then train and get youth ready for those jobs. So you start with the market access, and then you match, profile, platform, and pathway youth into that opportunity. The platform we were looking for needed an easy system to curate and to upload this content and to be able to monitor it. It needed to be able to have the capacity to hold films. It needed to allow us to deliver the content in these bite-sized chunks that made sense on a learning path and learning journey. The 21-module soft skills program acts as a mentor in your pocket, acts as that role model of the behaviors and expectations in the workplace. And so it was very important that we found a platform that was able to not just have static content that youth have to read, but really in an informal way, the way it happens in our homes, impart these gems and these understandings of expected behaviors. We want people to be able to pick up learning, dive into it, put it away, and go back later, because that's how youth learn.
The Yes for Youth app training has impacted my life in such a way that I understand what I really want. It makes you more engaged at any time anyway, so it's always available. You go to your mobile phone and do the app. That's it, you learn every day.
My favorite feature in the app, it's work readiness, because that's the most important thing if you're looking for a job. They give you that exercise, that mind-growing knowledge that you need. It gave me more confidence. So now when I get a call for an interview, I know that I'm ready. I know how to wear, how to look, how to appear.
The Gnowbe dashboard and the back end is incredibly user-friendly. When it comes to the curating aspect of it, it's really simplified. Even the capability of being able to host multimedia platforms, to be able to use film analysis, audio analysis, and things like animation, which is what we're doing. So we're taking full advantage of what Gnowbe has to offer and bringing those innovations to the South African youth when it comes to learning has been incredible.
What we found in the Gnowbe platform was really a space where many of the boxes around curation, monitoring, ease of upload, and sort of a gamification approach to learning. That magic combination is what we needed. So after kissing many frogs, I do think we found a prince in this platform.